Actually.
Actually.
Used in speaking to emphasize a fact or a comment, or that something is really true. It's not actually raining now. Used to show a contrast between what is true and what somebody believes, and to show surprise about this contrast. It was actually kind of fun after all. Used to correct somebody in a polite way. Actually, it would be much more sensible to do it later. Used to get somebody's attention, to introduce a new topic or to say something that somebody may not like, in a polite way. Actually, I'll be a bit late home.